There's going to be a lot of impacts from our 4-day system. Now we are seeing our way through the snow melt. Many of us saw most of our snow melt go into the rivers. They rose and now they've been descending. But look at this, 2 to 3 inches of liquid equivalent moisture with all that snow. Central North Dakota, Northern Valley, 1 to 2 over a wide space. That's all going to dump into the rivers and tributaries, Here's a look at the Oslo forecast, and right back up to very close to major flood stage is the expectation by the next 7 days. So some moderate flooding, if not close to major flooding for some locations, depending on where things go. Here's a look at the Fargo. We'll be on a trend upward trajectory as well. Tuesday through Friday, first alert weather days, and then we've tacked one on for Easter Sunday. We're going to go over all of it. Here's a couple of things. It's a 4-day event, so there's uncertainty simply because of the duration. A lot can change over the course of that duration. We have high confidence in blizzard conditions west with crippling conditions for some of those counties and feet of snow and drifts and feet of snow. And lower snowfall totals to the south and east of Fargo. That's a certainty as well. More rain in parts of central Minnesota. Let's go to the hour-by-hour forecast. This is brand new information. By morning, snow moves up from South Dakota, and we'll have some snow showers in the morning, most plentiful in central and southern parts of North Dakota. Check out this, dark blues and purples. Those are bands of heavy snow with a driving east-northeast wind. Quiet for our Minnesota counties to start the day. Showers of rain in the south. As we go through the mid-morning hours, it's going to be rain south, easterly winds. We're going to have snow spreading up to the Highway 2 corridor as we go through the midday hours. Heavy snow persisting. Check out where that heavy snow is. I want to point this out. We were talking uncertainty at Stutsman County. I've looked over several models, folks, and I think Stutsman County, part of Barnes County, and Griggs and Steele County in particular, a chance to really see some rough and tumble conditions with moderate to heavy snow at times. Now, rain continues for the southern valleys. We go through the day. Look at this. Spreads into northwest Minnesota and lasts. So there will be, by drive time, some snow in northwest Minnesota, a lot of snow potential, Devil's Lake Basin into central parts of North Dakota, and a lot of wet for the rest of us. We too will have a chance at snow. Some rumbles of thunder possible. The heavy bands of snow continue to work their way through into the 10 o'clock hour, such that by tomorrow night, look at these snowfall totals already. By tomorrow night, this is day one, I'm going to say, I have a 4-day system. 10 to 18 inches. Look at Stutsman County, particularly the western parts of the county. You're in the mix. So is Lemoore County. Check this, surrounded by 6 to 10 inches plus tomorrow night, by tomorrow night, in Griggs and Steele County. Thus my concern for your area. Grand Forks County is also included in that potential for elevated snowfall near Northwood, especially in western parts of the county. Then as we go into northwest Minnesota, 2 to 4 plus inches there. Quickly ramping down as we get into Fargo, where we just see some rain. Western and northwestern parts of Cass County, well, that's why we say 0 to over a foot. That's just by tomorrow. Here's our area of highest uncertainty. It does include Grand Forks, Fargo. It includes Ada. It includes Crookston all the way down towards Ellendale. More certainty in blizzard conditions out to the west. More certainty in just rain with just a little bit of snow later on in the duration of our 4-day event. Low moves in. And it sits here and it wobbles for about 2 days. Blizzard conditions persist through Wednesday, and then as we go through Wednesday night, look at the break. Many Minnesota counties could get a break from precipitation on Wednesday as it gets some dry air sucked in. Then, as we go from Wednesday into Thursday morning, more of us will see that cold air filter in with the northwest winds gusting, and this is when some of our southern counties will have a chance as some of that 0 to 3 we've been talking about in Fargo and points south and east. Then it exits, the wind starts to die down. Friday looks better by late in the day, at least right now. You're going to need to check back every day because these are going to change, right? But 4-day totals, 1 to 2 feet where you see the white. We'll see isolated up to 40 inches of snow in these areas. With the wind, we'll have drifts 5 feet, maybe 10 feet. Area of uncertainty, Grand Forks to Fargo, 3 to 6 plus and more. And then as we go down here, 0 to 3, south and east of Fargo. Right now, snow developing in the Rockies. Blizzard warning for the Devil's Lake Basin and points west. Winter storm watch for the rest. And tomorrow, severe weather in the form of tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in southern Minnesota. An impactful event for the entire Central Plains. 30s tomorrow in Fargo, rain likely today to 30 miles per hour. And then here's a quick peek at Easter Sunday. Through the day, chance of snow making its way through. We'll keep you posted on this. That track can change too, but just so you know, on a high impact day, your celebration could include some snow. Temperatures in the 40s 4 rough days in a row, not for everybody and not all the time. We'll get you through that. 32 and a break on Saturday, Easter Sunday, snow possible into Monday and 35 degrees. Justin, gonna have to stay on top of this one each and every day. Check back with us for the latest because it'll be an evolving system as it parks in the northern
The
plains.
problem too is if you don't get a ton of snow, you're probably getting drenched these next 2 days. It's going to make the ground really wet. It's going to be flooding issues.
Yeah, we got to kind of follow all of it even afterwards.
All right, thanks, Hutch.